Today we will showcase the new Fusion 8-way RCA splitter. The 8-way RCA splitter allows you to connect multiple speakers to your stereo system, providing flexibility in audio setup. For example, the 8-way splitter would allow a multiple channel amplifier to drive 3 to 4 speakers on the left and right side of a single zone. There are 2 female RCAs on the stereo side of the splitter, one for the left and right. There are 8 male RCA connectors on the amplifier side of the splitter, 4 for the left channels and 4 for the right channels. There are some considerations to keep in mind when installing the 8-way splitter to a Fusion system. The volume of all speakers will change with the individual zones split to the amplifier. You must connect identical speaker models to the amplifier when using the 8-way splitter. DSP profiles apply to all speakers within a single zone when connected to an Apollo amplifier. This ensures the DSP settings are effective and tailored to your specific speaker configuration. You can connect different speaker models without using Fusion DSP profiles for non-Apollo amplifiers. Just appropriately tune the amplifier for the speakers installed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit marinesupport.garmin.com.